Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration I'm going to show you how to install the RedmineUP Drive plugin on a Redmine that is installed on a Linux operating system. So the very first thing that you have to do is to go into your license manager and download the very latest Pro version. However, if you do not have a license, then you could get the light free version of the Drive plugin. It could be done on our site RedmineUP.com, and here you have to go into plugins and then search for the Drive. Here you have to click on download and request the plugin on your email address. It is going to be sent immediately. Please do not forget to check the box for the RedmineUP conditions and terms. Okay, so when you get the zip file, the first thing is that you have to unzip it and then go into the inner folder and copy this one, Redmine/Drive. Afterwards you have to go to your core Redmine folder, which in our case is Redmine 5, and then find the plugins folder. Here please paste the plugin. Okay, so the next thing is that you have to open your command line and again go to your core Redmine folder and then run the bundle install. Okay, this command is going to install the required gems for your plugin. The next thing is that you have to do the migration. It is done via this command. Into the name section you have to set the name of the plugin you are trying to install. In this case it is Redmine/Drive. Please take a note that these are just warnings for developers, so they are not going to harm the work of the plugin or get some errors. Just warnings for the devs team. And the very last thing that you have to do is to just restart your Redmine with touch temporary restart .txt. Okay, so let's go back to our Redmine and check what we have done. So we refresh our page and wait a couple of seconds because restarting Redmine takes some time. So we see that the Drive plugin has just shown, and it seems that our job is done successfully. So thank you very much for watching this video and see you into the next one. Bye bye for now.